Hi everyone, welcome back to the playlist. In this video, we're covering Tab Parent Content Mapper. This is one of the fastest ways to turn a messy page tree into a clean guided content hub. Let's start with the problem. In Confluence, when documentation grows, the page tree becomes long. Users click, scroll, click again, and still don't know where the answer is. And even if you build an index page, it goes out of date quickly. So the real issue is simple. Content exists, but navigation is painful. So now that we know what's broken, let me show you the exact fix. That's exactly what Tab Parent Content Mapper solves. It lets you take one parent page and automatically turn its child pages into tabs or drop-down navigation. And when a user clicks a tab, the child page content shows right inside the hub. To make this real, we build it from scratch. Parent page, child pages, then the mapper. Step 1, create the parent plus child pages. First, I'll create a simple structure. I create one parent page. Example, project documentation hub. Now under this parent page, I create a few child pages. For example, introduction, setup guide, FAQs, release notes. These child pages will become our tabs. All right, structure is ready. Now we'll turn this structure into a hub using the Tab Parent Content Mapper. Step 2, insert Tab Parent Content Mapper. Now I open the parent page in edit mode. Click Insert, Plus, and search for Tab Parent Content Mapper. Select it to insert the module. Step 3, configure the module. Now let's configure it. First, I choose the parent page I want to map. This tells the module, use this parent's child pages as navigation. Next, I choose the navigation style. I can select tabs for quick switching or drop down if I have many child pages. Now I confirm the behavior. When someone clicks a tab, the child page content loads inside this same page. And finally, I review the preview. Here I confirm the tab order and mapping looks correct. Step 4, save, publish the page. Now I click publish. This updates the parent page into a clean navigation hub. Here's the hub in view mode. Child pages appear as tabs. Click a tab, content loads right here. No page tree hunt. That's Tab Parent Content Mapper. Next, we'll cover another mapping style for different use cases. See you there.